Did you know that when a star explodes, it can create a cosmic sneeze? This isn't your average sneeze, though. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it collapses under its own gravity, causing a supernova. This explosion is so powerful that it can outshine entire galaxies for a short time. But here's the quirky part. The shockwave from this explosion can actually trigger the formation of new stars, like a cosmic chain reaction. So, in a way, a star's explosive end is just the beginning for new stars. Like, comment, and subscribe for more cosmic curiosities.